because there were a couple of situations where figure amaphoyisa la edladleni bazongibuza ukuthi okay what did I see because I saw a lot of stuff.
Ufuna singene kuzo kancane but we're not gonna drop amagama wabantu. Before sifika lapho phela ukhumbula ukuthi you are one of the people who've contributed economically kasi nakwezinye izinto and there are people who knows you, but I want to get a bit of I think they just know isaface yakho, right? So I want them to get to know you a bit better. So i-dynamic yasekhaya like i-setup ubukhulela kuyo eZola, how was it? Uhlala nobani? Njengoba uthi ubaba wakho bengwalana, uma wakho ebeseZola. How was it having ifika A1 full time without your dad?
Yeah. To be honest, to be quite honest, most eZola sikhuliswa abogogo. That's why kunale term le kagogo eZola. So ngikhulisa ugogo. Okay, my mom uyahlala sesipanini, so obvious ngisala nabogogo. Yeah. So I come from that kind of family. Ngikhula nabo mamncane, nogogo nabo malume. Yeah, and then umama uhlala sesipanini. And then I didn't have a problem in the time because he was always there. Okay. When I needed him, he was there. Okay. Nanoma ngiqala ukuba stud, my mom was like, yo mfethu ayisekho into engizoyisho mina la imali gibele yeswane evili. So yeah, my mom is a very strict mom. Okay. Yeah, she was very strict, and then I think it helped me a lot having discipline in life. Yeah, because I never ngibe nesikhiya segate senginemoto mina ekhaya.
Ay man, I love that.
So
yakhi gate ngesikhathi sibune curfew.
Yeah, kune curfew. So if I wanna go somewhere, mele ngibalinde balale, jump the wall, So yeah, but I wasn't ngathini umntana ohluphayo. Yeah, I was a sweet child. Ngizithandela imali, business. Qala ngama fruit plus esikolweni. Okay. Ngathengisa ama cool time. And yeah.
But now ukhulele kasi uyintwana encane ebhayisayo bebengakugeyipeli lezi zinto lezi.
Next. Growing up eZola the guys lento yokuphandela okushini bengekho. That's one thing. Okay.
Bekwazi ukuthi baye emakhishini.
Yeah,
hayi lento ukuqekezelana khona la uyambona lo muntu uyazisokolela uzilethela ispoon sakhe nesofa yakhe wena uyabuya uzozilana.
Yeah. So we might be the affirmative reposition. Okay. So I believe they were just taking
back what belongs to them.
Yeah. So lento bengayazi mina ukuthi you can just walk inkunzi. Besazi ukuthi umuntu obamba inkunzi eZola kusowaseZola. Mhlawumbe wase Snake Park, Dobsonville, Yeah, but then bengana problem yazi. Bengana problem. Because most of the guys ebiba ngathini
amagrotman esaziwayo ukuthi baya maspinara nani.
They knew my mom or my dad. Uyangithola because kunjalo they know ukuthi uyintwana kafikile wena or intwana ka Sunday yabona is dead. So I never had a problem and bengihlala ngiphatha imali. Yeah. Because already ngifundisa akukhumbula makusangena amakhavela I was like ngicela ikhavela. She's like angangithengela ikhavela. Rather uze nemali ngigcwalisele.
Good.
Yeah. And I think I was doing like grade 7 or 8 somewhere or grade 8 when ngicela ungena high school.
Yeah.
So that young sharp na life in yabo ukuthi okay.
You need to earn.
Yeah. You need to work for something that you want, Yeah, you need to make money to go spend money. You can't just say I need this and that, but you don't want to work for it,
Yeah. Because we have that challenge of kids now. Aba feel like entitled in things, mama mfuna ngithathe ubungilethelane emhlabeni in.
And it's not like that, eh? I mean, like independence is key, bitch. Yeah. No matter how stable your family might be, but you need to be independent as a young person, Yeah, you need to be independent because at the end of the day uzophuma kumamako, uzophuma kubabakho, and when you get there estradeni you have no knowledge of
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Ngiyabona nokukhulu uphume kubo. uNkulunkulu abakhumbule, then what?
Uyangithola?
I hear what you mean. And then now, being a child, onemali, ayikho into engekho eZola.
Yeah.
Wonke ama-substance akhona.
Yeah.
How did you avoid that? Like ngikhuluma ngabonyawo, bontasha, bo-ina,
okay, obviously I was exposed to
very much so, and you had money to buy.
Yeah. And somehow I never thought of those kind of things as, you know, I've always told people to understand umuntu, because inyaupe or any other drug, before you smoke it, you know someone who smoked it.
And then uyambona ukuthi unjani.
You understand? So I never felt the need. I've never saw a successful drug smoker or drug user. You know, it's always the dealers who become successful, but the users. So I was like, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. And then, yeah, I was only exposed to Izol. Yeah,
I can tell.
So yeah.
I can tell with your Mali there.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
So
deep down, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is it that makes you love the culture ye Rastafarian than other cultures singabantu base South Africa?
The most interesting part about Amarasta is embracing being African. That's one thing I love about them. They embrace being African. You know, it's either black or nothing. You know, you need to understand that you as a black person, you are a queen, you are a king in your own space, you know, and you are able to shape the world the way you want it to be, you know. Yeah. So into engithandanga abo Rasta, lifestyle yakhona.
They love peace.
Yeah,
they
peace,
preach
yeah.
peace.
And
they preach purity.
Yeah. And it's never about black and white, you know, Rasta. Because when you check religions, religion discriminates towards other religions.
Thank you. Even if we can be Christians, see too. Ngizothi mina eyami Christianity ingcono kuneyakho. The pastors are bashing on each other. They like, I hear what you mean.
Yeah. So Rasta, they don't have that. You know, it's we are one. You know, we are the human race. You know, there's no black, there's no whites, there's no just colors. You know, it's just me helping you, I and I. You know, yeah. That's how we live. That's what I like about Rasta.
Sisakhuluma black or nothing. Sisakhuluma ngobuntu. Sikhuluma ngepeace. I remember growing up, bengikhona uyocela mphathi inkomishi, ngiyocela amafutha next door. Do you think le nto le isenzeka manje? Because of kwekabana le nto etrendayo, someone uyajiva ephathini athi uhluthi papa yasekhaya. You know, do you think we still have that?
No. You remember when Mapaputi said, house. It's been like that since there's Katsabu Mapaputi, you know. Yeah, I feel like we as black people like us, we lack unity. You know. That's why it's easy for outside people to come and infiltrate us, you know, give us drugs, guns, and then we start killing each other, you know, because we don't have that unity anymore, you know. Now it's every man for himself.
Yeah, angisho kunale nto ukuthi me against the wall.
So I feel like siba selfish in a way as black people, you know. Ubuntu siyablahla man. Ubuntu siyablahla or seblahlekile. That's how I see it, you know. Sekunzima ukuthi umuntu asize omunye umuntu. Yeah.
And in kwawena, even if you can come to me like my intentions are good to uyangisiza, the first question I'll ask you ukuthi, what do you want? Why ungisiza? Because of we have this thing, so we've learned that people banalenda ukuthi ayikho into yamahala.
Yeah. I think yenye into emosha izinto leyo ukuthi ayikho into yamahala, you know. And that ngiyakhawaza, especially when you're trying to build, you know. Into yamali khona man. Yabona, ubuntu, helping out, you know.